Many men reach a point in life when they begin to notice changes in their bodies, especially in aspects that directly affect self-esteem and confidence. The feeling that something is not as it used to be can be uncomfortable and even frustrating, but it's important to understand that this doesn't mean the solution is out of reach. I'm Dr. Anna Costa, a urologist, and today I'll share valuable information about methods that can help improve the size and appearance of the penis, even in later stages of life. The focus here is to provide safe and effective possibilities, always based on science and tailored to the care each case requires. From simple techniques to more advanced alternatives, the goal is to restore your confidence and well-being. This is a sensitive topic, but it deserves to be addressed with clarity and respect. After all, intimate health should not be a taboo, and there's a lot that can be done to improve quality of life at any stage of life. Before continuing, subscribe to the channel to receive more tips about health and sexual education. If you enjoyed this content, like the video and share your thoughts in the comments. Type 1 if you found the topic helpful or 0 to leave a suggestion. Your interaction helps us deliver even better content. Let's dive into a reflection that is crucial for many men but often doesn't receive the attention it deserves. We're talking about a subject that impacts self-confidence and undeniably deserves to be approached clearly and respectfully. Throughout life, the body undergoes changes that affect not only external appearance but also areas we don't always openly discuss, such as intimate parts. What often goes unnoticed is that these transformations go beyond genetics. From an early age, we're told that the size and shape of the male organ are determined by nature. And that's it. But that's only part of the story. Aging brings natural changes that can alter how we view and feel about our bodies. You may have noticed something different. The size seems smaller, or the appearance isn't what it used to be. This can cause discomfort and even the feeling that something is wrong. But let me make it clear. This experience is not isolated. It's far more common than it seems, and there are medical explanations for these changes. Looking to enhance your sexual life and strengthen your relationship? In the ebook Rediscovering Intimacy, Healthy Sexuality After 60, you'll find clear strategies to reignite desire, overcome barriers, and build a deeper connection. Access the link in the pinned comment and take a new step in your love life. As the years go by, the body undergoes inevitable processes. The skin loses elasticity, muscles can weaken, and even blood vessels change their behavior. In intimate areas, this can make the member appear smaller or different. For many, this brings insecurity or even a sense of loss, but it's important to understand that this is part of the natural evolution of the human body. And here lies the key issue: health. Behind these changes is, to a large extent, blood circulation. As we age, blood vessels can lose flexibility, making it harder to transport blood efficiently, which directly affects the vitality of intimate areas. That's why taking care of cardiovascular health is not just about living longer but also about living better and with greater confidence. Keeping your body active and well-nourished is one of the most important steps to address these transformations. This shows that, even in the face of natural changes that come with age, you can still do a lot to maintain your health and well-being. Over time, the body starts sending signals that it needs more attention, and one of those signals is how blood flow behaves. It's natural that, with age, blood doesn't reach some areas as efficiently as before, but this doesn't mean there's no solution. On the contrary, there are many ways to regain control and recover the energy that may seem distant. It all begins with circulation, a critical factor that affects the entire body, including its most intimate functions. The good news is that giving circulation a boost is easier than it seems. A little movement in your daily routine makes all the difference. A walk, a swim, or even a bike ride in the park not only helps your heart work better but also ensures that blood flows where it's most needed. By incorporating exercise into your routine, not only does your body benefit, but your energy and confidence are renewed as well. Of course, care doesn't stop there. What you put on your plate impacts your health as much as what you do at the gym. Nutrient-rich foods can transform your health from the inside out. Colorful fruits and vegetables are powerful allies, helping to combat inflammation and improve blood flow. Healthy fats, like those from avocados, salmon, and nuts, are like high-quality fuel for your blood vessels. A handful of nuts here, a slice of avocado there. And soon you'll notice how small changes can bring significant results. Yes, accepting your body's transformations can be challenging. It's not easy to deal with the feeling that something has changed or that part of your vitality has faded. But I want to emphasize that these changes do not diminish who you are. They do not define your worth, your masculinity, or your ability to live fully. Your body is just part of the story. What truly matters is how you choose to care for yourself and face this new phase with determination and optimism. Taking care of your body is like planting a tree. Every small effort you make today, whether by adjusting your diet, moving more, or learning to handle changes, grows and blossoms into benefits for the future. Time may leave its marks, but that doesn't mean you have to lose connection with your vitality. On the contrary, these changes can signal that it's time to invest in yourself more consciously. Staying active is one of the best gifts you can give yourself. Regular movement keeps your circulation healthy and revitalizes not only the most visible functions but also those you might not immediately notice. Eating well is another cornerstone. Choosing foods that nourish your body, such as vibrant fruits, fresh vegetables, and healthy fats, is like fueling your system with the best energy source available. These small adjustments aren't just about the physical. They're about how you feel when you look in the mirror, face the day with more energy, and rediscover the joy of being present in the moment. The impact goes beyond appearance. It touches your confidence, pride in who you are, and the care you give yourself. Speaking of care, some simple and natural practices can work wonders. Imagine setting aside a few minutes each day to take care of yourself intentionally, almost like a ritual. Stretching techniques and specific massages, when done with attention and consistency, have transformative power. It's not about instant results but about building something solid and lasting. The most interesting thing about these practices is that they don't require haste, but rather patience and dedication. Each movement is an opportunity to promote circulation, improve flexibility, and rediscover the balance between body and mind. Over time, the results will come, and the most important part, they arrive with the reassurance that you are respecting your body's own rhythm. By following this path, you not only improve your physical health but also find a new way to connect with yourself, with more confidence and serenity. After all, taking care of yourself is a powerful gesture, and every step in that direction brings back a bit of that vitality that should never have been left behind. When adopting any technique to improve health, the key word is balance. There's no point in seeking quick results and overdoing it because your body needs care, not rush. Think of it as adjusting the details of a delicate clock. Gentle and precise movements make all the difference. Techniques like manual stretching are a great way to start, as long as they're done with attention and patience. When performed calmly, these practices can bring noticeable improvements without causing discomfort or unnecessary risks. In addition to stretching, there's another simple yet highly effective tool that many men are still unaware of: Kegel exercises. Although more commonly associated with women, these exercises have a direct impact on men's health. Strengthening the pelvic floor muscles improves control, increases endurance, and provides benefits that go far beyond physical health, boosting confidence and satisfaction in intimate moments. Picture something as simple as contracting and relaxing your muscles. This discreet and accessible practice can bring significant changes to overall health. Many men report that by incorporating Kegels into their routine, they not only gain greater control but also a renewed sense of energy and self-sufficiency. For those looking for more advanced alternatives, devices like penile extenders can be an interesting option. They work by applying gentle traction over time, stimulating gradual tissue growth. It's an approach that requires patience but offers concrete results for those who follow the guidelines correctly. The secret here is understanding that these devices are neither magical nor immediate. They require commitment and, above all, proper use. Using the extender incorrectly can lead to problems, which is why professional guidance is essential. With correct and regular use, results appear within a few months, gradually but consistently. In the end, what truly matters is your commitment to your health and well-being. Whether through simple practices like Kegel exercises or more advanced techniques, consistency is what will make the difference. Progress may be slow, but every small step is an achievement. And by valuing this process, you'll discover that taking care of yourself is an investment that pays off, bringing not only physical results but also a renewed sense of confidence and fulfillment. It's natural to feel a bit frustrated when results don't show up as quickly as you'd like. But let's be honest, everything worthwhile in life requires time, dedication, and, most importantly, patience. When you focus on every step of the process instead of fixating solely on the final result, something incredible happens. You begin to realize you're gaining much more than you expected. It's not just about the physical, but about developing resilience, self-confidence, and a stronger connection with yourself. Think of each day as a piece of a puzzle. Even the smallest actions, whether it's a walk, a moment of self-care, or simply making a better dietary choice, add up to form a complete picture. Gradually, you feel more confident, more in control, and that feeling is unmatched. It's like rediscovering the pleasure of taking care of yourself, without rushing, but with purpose. In recent years, interesting advancements in men's health have also helped reinforce this sense of control. One such treatment involves hyaluronic acid injections in the male member. It may sound sophisticated, but it's a relatively simple and non-invasive procedure that offers visible aesthetic results and, most importantly, is safe. These injections use hyaluronic acid, a substance naturally found in the body, to improve the volume and thickness of the member. The most interesting part is that the effects are temporary, lasting up to a year, allowing you to decide whether or not to continue with the procedure. It's a popular option for those seeking something less permanent yet effective. It is important to remember that this type of treatment must be performed at a trusted clinic by experienced professionals. After all, taking care of your body requires responsibility. While it represents a financial investment, many men find this procedure a safe way to boost their self-esteem. Additionally, another innovation is gaining attention: low-intensity shockwave therapy. This treatment, available in specialized clinics, uses targeted pulses to stimulate circulation in the male member, promoting both functional and structural improvements. The most exciting aspect of these technologies is that they not only expand care possibilities but also reinforce the idea that there's always something that can be done. Whether through small daily adjustments or exploring more advanced treatments, the important thing is to remember that every choice to care for yourself is a step in the right direction. And honestly, nothing is more empowering than taking control of your own well-being. Caring for male health goes far beyond solving isolated issues. It's about revitalizing the body and improving quality of life. Among the most promising advancements is low-intensity shockwave therapy. Initially developed to treat erectile dysfunction, it has gained recognition for its benefits on overall vascular health. By stimulating blood vessels, this technique improves blood flow, oxygenates tissues, and strengthens vascular walls, providing visible results and a sense of physical rejuvenation. What's particularly interesting about this approach is that its effects go beyond expectations. Gradual improvements in circulation lead to increased sensitivity, firmness, and even enhanced intimate performance. These benefits don't appear overnight but become noticeable over time, providing renewed confidence. Another significant advantage is that the procedure is minimally invasive, requiring no lengthy recovery periods or restrictions that could disrupt daily life. Although still relatively new, shockwave therapy has already gained popularity among men who report satisfying results. However, it's crucial to approach this option with realistic expectations. Like any method, it doesn't offer magical solutions. Even so, when used correctly, it can deliver consistent and lasting changes. Another resource that complements this quest for improvement is the use of hyaluronic acid injections. This technique is ideal for those seeking to increase the volume and thickness of the member safely. Since hyaluronic acid is naturally absorbed by the body, results last for about a year and can be maintained with periodic applications. This procedure is an effective alternative for those looking for temporary but impactful changes without resorting to surgical interventions. Both shockwave therapy and injections provide men with the opportunity to take control of their physical and emotional health. The choice between them should be based on personal needs and goals, always under the guidance of qualified professionals. Additionally, it's important to consider factors such as testosterone levels, which tend to decrease with age. This hormone, essential for energy and well-being, can be regulated through lifestyle changes or specific treatments. Ultimately, the most important thing is to invest in yourself. By prioritizing health and adopting new strategies, you pave the way to live with greater confidence, energy, and balance. Testosterone plays a crucial role in every man's life. It not only influences desire and energy but also impacts confidence and a sense of vitality. Over time, it's natural for testosterone levels to decline, leading to subtle yet significant changes in both body and mind. It's as if a part of your energy gradually fades away. However, there are ways to reignite that spark. One of these ways is testosterone replacement therapy, or TRT, which has helped many men regain the vigor they thought was lost. When conducted under medical supervision, this therapy can transform how you feel, restoring energy, improving mood, and even positively affecting intimate life. However, like any powerful resource, it must be used responsibly, always adhering to medical guidelines. But if there's one thing I've learned over time, it's that no external treatment can replace the power of self-confidence. It may sound like a cliché, but it's true. Confidence is one of the most attractive and impactful traits someone can have. No matter what's happening in your body, how you see yourself and interact with the world truly makes the difference. Men who embrace and work on their self-esteem achieve remarkable levels of satisfaction in their intimate lives, even when facing the challenges that come with time. Intimacy, after all, is not just about the physical. It's about the emotional connection, the security, and the authenticity you share with yourself and those around you. Aging doesn't have to be seen as a barrier, but as an opportunity to explore new forms of connection and growth. Experience brings wisdom, and with it comes the chance to enjoy moments more richly and consciously. Intimate life, especially as the years go by, isn't about trying to turn back the clock but about celebrating all you've lived and what you can still build. It's a journey of rediscovery, where self-confidence becomes the foundation for more meaningful and fulfilling relationships. Aging with authenticity and courage allows you to experience your sexuality fully, embracing both the challenges and joys that each stage of life can offer. After all, true intimacy begins when you accept and value who you truly are. In this video, we talked about the changes the body undergoes over the years and explored safe methods to improve intimate health and confidence. Now tell me, which tip about circulation caught your attention the most? Leave your answer in the comments. Your opinion is always welcome. If you enjoyed this content, click the like button. Your support is essential to ensure more men have access to this information. And if you want to learn more about male health and sexuality in later life, don't forget to check out the other videos on the channel. Subscribe to follow content that helps improve your quality of life and self-esteem. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.